Hurrying up.
I love these elevators.
Me too.
There's a lot of space in them.
Good morning. I'm Melissa.
And I'm Brian.
And we are Wanderlust with Melissa and Brian.
And we love to travel, we love to cruise, and take you on adventures and share them with you. Today's adventure starts with us in Port Miami at Terminal A. From Terminal A, we just got off of the Freedom of the Seas, and we're about to board Norwegian Prima. We're just going to walk right over here to Terminal B.
Yeah, so I'm a travel advisor with Magnolia Travel Group in Mississippi, and we were invited as a group of advisors onto the Prima for a few days to kind of check her out, see what she's a brand new ship. She's got all kinds of cool features, so we're going to be on there and bringing it to you.
Really looking forward to it. It's going to be a great time. There's so much to do on the ship. I don't know if we're going to get it all done in 3 days, but by golly, we're going to give it a shot.
We're going to do the go-karts for sure. They have a multi-level go-kart. I'm going to spin Brian out, hopefully. And then they've got a dry slide from the top all that spirals down to the bottom, and I want to do that as well. They have a virtual reality game room that I'm looking forward to. We're excited about that.
On to Terminal B. So the walk from Terminal A to Terminal B, nothing to it. Really, really easy. Even with the construction, we ended up having to kind of walk around Terminal B to get in the embarkation side of the house. But once we did that, it was straightforward and easy. So it's good to know. I think if you're doing another side-by-side out of Port Miami, A to B, easy peasy. Alrighty, here we go. Slowly boarding the Norwegian Prima.
On board.
Alright, let's check out the Indulge food hall.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you very much. Ah, there's the noodles bar.
Hi.
Hey y'all.
Welcome on board.
Thank you. Looks great.
Yes, it is, sir.
Hello.
Welcome to Indulge.
Thank you. This is beautiful. Alright, I'm anxious to try this. So they got several different spots, many different items to choose from. I heard that the items come real fast, so you can just order and then one will show up, and then you can order something else. Look at this, the Latin, the noodles. This looks delicious. Texas barbecue. Oh, look, fried okra. Ooh, the seaside rotisserie. Ooh, look at that. Of course, the desserts look delicious. Maybe not on that menu. Lots to choose from. We're gonna have to get started. There's so much to choose from. It's interesting. So of course, you know, everything is all the food items are included, but there's a place here to pay. And I guess that if you were to order a drink and didn't have like a drink package, that's where you would do so. So it's really convenient. That was so fast.
Yeah,
It arrived immediately.
oh, it's good.
Nice.
Crispy. Kind of sweet.
This is the pulled pork sandwich. It's real good. I love the bread. It's kind of a brioche, so it's got a little crunch to it. And the pulled pork is real tasty. The shrimp cocktail was fresh and delicious, but one of the stars of the show was definitely the tuna tostada. It was very fresh and light, really, really delicious. We ended up with more than one. Tuna tostada.
I've got the tuna tostada. Yep. The tuna is fresh, like just sashimi grade, and then it's got a sauce with a little kick under it, and then avocados on top. That's good. It's real crispy.
I couldn't resist getting just a little bit of pistachio ice cream.
Look at this tartlet. So I got it over here at the desserts. It's kind of a grab your own and go. Oh, look inside here. So I think that looks like lemon or cream. it's not very easy to break up. There we go. Let me try a bite. Yes, it's lemon inside. A tart lemon with chocolate and the meringue and the crust. That's delicious. I'm updating. I thought that was chocolate on the top, which was a little strange with lemon, but no, it's blueberry. And of course, blueberry and lemon go together. Makes much more sense, and it's really good.
So you notice these arrows in the carpet. These actually point us toward the front of the ship. Unfortunately, I'm going the wrong direction. My room's the other way.
Welcome to stateroom 11308. This is a family balcony stateroom. Sleeps 4. Of course, you got your king size bed. Then you also have a sofa that pulls out into a double bed, so you can sleep 4 easily. I love the decor and the colors. You've got the blues of the ocean and then other muted colors, crystals, the butterfly. I think this is really pretty. Come over here, the colors continue in the furnishings on the bed, which I love. On either side of the bed, you have lamps that have all kinds of power. You've got a regular power, you've got on the lamp itself, you've got a USB and a USB-C on both sides. All right, let's check out the balcony. Always remember, starts here, go all the way down with it, then open it up. Makes all the difference. We haven't left the terminal yet. These are nice quality chairs, some of the nicest I've seen. Like I said, we're on deck 11. We're kind of overlooking deck 8. I cannot wait to hang out on those beds with those little pools down there. They're kind of like just ankle deep in water. Check this out. So on our TV, it's got our name, our stateroom number, and who our room steward is, which I think is cool because I always have to remember what his name is or her name. And then you can choose dining, make reservations. Like for instance, tonight we're doing The Price is Right live at 10 o'clock. We've already made reservations. They have the Donner Summer musical that we'll do tomorrow night. I think that's pretty cool. You can also check out dining and check out shore excursions and all kinds of things right there from your TV in your room. I think that's really convenient. All right, the desk, what I call vanity area. It seems small if you're using it as a desk. I'm putting my makeup on. I kind of like it because it's all lit up. It's got a drawer to keep things in. I've already got a few things in it. A little poof to sit on. And this is so cool. Watch this. It's laser tag. No, just kidding. It's a hairdryer. But look how where they put it. I think that's pretty cool.
It's got a holster.
It's got a holster. And you come on over, you got the little mini fridge. Nothing at all in it. Lots and lots and lots and lots of power options there and under the lights. That's fabulous.
I have high hopes for the Wi-Fi.
I love a wall of hooks. Usually I have to bring my own. And even back of the door, there's more. I like that. Let's talk about closet space. 3 nice little closet areas. We've got hanging area here with a little cubby. We've got our backpacks, not included. Got your safe, and then I love these drawers. Check these little out. Shoes, accessories, all kinds of things you could put in there. Over here, other side, 2 more shelves at the bottom. Bar, or this will drop down if you need it as a shelf. Ta-da! And then 1 more space for hanging.
I like the lighting.
Do you know what I like? Brian and I fight over who gets how many pillows every single cruise we take. So it's got a pillow down there and 2 more up here. So not only do we get 2 each on the bed, we got 3 more to fight over. That's awesome. Washy washy. This is a nice shower. Hopefully it goes up a little bit, but I think that'll be nice. Much better than our last one. Let's see. It's also got shampoo and body wash. And little soda dishes.
Nice. And a place to put your feet while you wash them.
I need to shave my legs.
There's plenty of storage to the left of the sink. I got 3 big shelves. There's a couple more large, deep shelves to the left, and even storage under the sink.
Have your attention, please.
Uh-oh.
This is your cruise director speaking to you from the navigation
We'll check back in.
bridge.
So this is kind of neat. It tells you, or it reports, when you're in the room, when you put your key card in. It lights up to indicate that you're in the room. There's also a button we can press here that will say, I need my room made up. Or, of course, do not disturb. It's kind of neat. In the elevator lobbies are these massive signs, and they're interactive, and they allow you to do all your booking for shows and events and excursions and all kinds of cool things on there. It was really fun to learn how to operate it, and certainly can be very, very helpful, especially to identify things that were already sold out and maybe have availability. It was really neat. Whoa, nice.
You can even book short excursions from this. Here, Sunday.
More zip lines.
I don't know what that is.
MPIH 51119.
What is that?
I don't know, but it's $11 a head.
It's $11. So I don't think I'm gonna book that because I don't know what that is. Oh, what can you do with it? Oh, you can even do. I want to go check out the spa. Evening stretch, pathway to yoga, HIIT. So this is classes. So you got your abs class, your HIIT class, pathway to yoga, and evening stretch.
Hey.
I think we did what we needed to do. I feel better.
Yeah. Now let's go check on it in deck 7.
All right.
Also on deck 6 is the casino. Let's walk through there while we can. Ooh, this feels very open and airy. And there's no smoking. That I really dig. Plenty of tables. Good sized. Alright, so despite being closed, they didn't want me to film in the casino yet. So we skipped down through that. Look at this beautiful atrium. Wide open, airy, very modern feeling. Feels more like a upscale hotel than the inside of a cruise ship. Really love it. We've got some live music right over here. Of course, there's the freedom of the seas. We left this morning. Even in the port, the water down here is beautiful. First impressions, wow. The ship's got a lot of room, very effective use of space, a lot of fascinating venues, and definitely some exciting activities that we're going to take up here in a little bit. Really great stuff. Look at this 10-story dry slide. All right, there she goes. She's going to go ride the dry slide.
Gotta reach down.
The tube totally carries the sound all the way from the top,
Like
all the
that?
way to the bottom. That's funny.
Okay, and I'm lay back.
Then at the beginning, please push yourself. Wait for me. Push yourself and then lean back. Wait for me. Sending one blue.
Lay all the way back when I'm ready. Okay.
Push yourself.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Enjoy.
Okay.
Here she comes.
That was great.
All the way from the top?
All the way from the top, yeah.
Turn around.
Yeah, just
Is it hard one or?
yeah, it's pretty good.
Is it
Yeah,
hard or soft?
it's soft. I mean, it's smooth. It's real smooth. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because
Yeah.
this was fun.
It was. Great.
Oh yeah, I'm totally going next. This is a great area right here, a big wide open space right here at the aft of the ship on deck 8. I think it's 8, back here by the Indulge food hall.
Ocean Boulevard is what it's called.
Yeah, it goes all the way around the ship. It's really, really neat the way that they've done it. And this is also, of course, the ending point for the dry slides. to the Prima Speedway Bar. This is a great spot. There's like a breeze. The bartenders are on it. Yeah. Got a great view out from the aft of the ship. It's very nice. The view from Hudson's is right from the aft of the ship. We've got a great table. You can see the green of the Royal Caribbean Terminal A right there. One great thing about sailing out of Miami, there's so many ships. There goes the Scarlet Lady. So right away we noticed that the main dining room feels like specialty dining. It really feels very upscale. There's a lot of really nice dishes on the menu. So I don't know how much recording I'm going to do right here at the tables. I don't want to disturb anybody. So we'll probably take a couple pictures and then talk about it later. Melissa had the California roll for the appetizer, and I got the New England clam chowder. Both were pretty good. For our entrees, we both opted for the beautiful beef Wellington. Just look at that. That beef Wellington was delicious. It was very good. It was properly cooked. It was delicious. I got the garlic mashed potatoes with it, which went fantastic. Melissa got the sweet potato fries. She said those were good too. Now we've got desserts on order. Then we'll see if we can do some more exploring. Let's talk about dinner a little bit.
It was so good. So I had a California roll as my appetizer. It was really good. It was just a small plate, and then beef welly. Yum. It was a huge serving. It was so good.
Yeah, the beef Wellington was really good.
You could cut it with a butter knife. I mean, it was so tender, so good.
But really, the highlight, oh my gosh, was the desserts. In particular, the bread pudding. I eat a lot of bread pudding. I love bread pudding, and that had to be by far the best bread pudding I've ever had on a cruise ship. It was outstanding.
Oh, yeah.
It was very rich. I'm not even sure I could finish it, but it was so good, so good.
Yeah, I've had bread pudding in the heart of New Orleans in some nice restaurants, and that was at least equal, if not better, than any that I've had in New Orleans.
Oh yeah, outstanding. And of course, we had to have the melting lava cake and so
Me,
on.
nothing. He got a second dessert.
Okay, so I did. Because it's comparable to the other guys, and this was pretty good. It was a flourless cake, and of course it was ooey gooey and super duper rich. So yeah, way to go. It was a great experience for the main dining room. In fact, I would say that main dining room food and service was as good as we've had on some other places for the specialty dining.
Yeah,
so you can't go wrong. Let's see what kind of views we can get for the sail away. Look at the beautiful Miami skyline. Sailing away about 8 p.m. One of the latest we've done. What a gorgeous view of the skyline.
18% love battery.
3-level racetrack. This kind of puts the main pool in perspective. It's decent sized, and there's a lot of deck area. As always in Miami, there are the ships belonging to the Bond villains. So we're back in the room, and there's a couple more events I think we're going to do tonight, but I don't think I'm going to take the camera. So we're probably going to wrap this up right here. We really have loved Prima so far. It's been a great ship. Really loved the use of space throughout the different venues. Tomorrow I think it's going to be a spa day. We're going to try to relax and try to take in the services that the spa offers. And then, of course, we're going to have a great dinner and a couple of neat activities we got planned. Try to get in. We would love for you to subscribe to our channel and keep an eye out for our next adventure. Talk to you tomorrow.